So today's our topic is reference image, and we will see that how we can use reference images and we can edit our pictures in Midjourney. So without wasting time, let's start. First of all, we will click on this plus button and this small pop-up will come. And we have to click on upload a file and we have to choose picture that we want to use as a image reference. After choosing the picture, we have to click open and now hit enter or your picture will be uploaded here. So here is our picture, just click on it, right click, copy image address or copy link, both are same. So we will click on copy image address and our link will be copied. Come here, type slash, click on imagine prompt and you have to paste your link of this picture here. With the help of Ctrl V, I have pasted my picture here and now comma space and I will write my prompt here. So here is our prompt and you can see and read. Generate an image of a lone wanderer walking down slow walk on neon lit street in a cyberpunk city, rendered in ultra detail and photorealistic style. So we have to just click or hit enter and we will see that what Midjourney will provide us. So this Midjourney has provided us. Let's see that picture 1, 2, 3, 4. U1 to U4 mean if you want to upscale any of these pictures, we have to click U1, U2, U3 and U4. According to picture number 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to click U1, U2, U3, U4. And if you want to make more or 4 variations of any of these pictures, we have to click V1, V2, V3 and V4. And this is reroll button, and if you will click on reroll, you will get more 4 pictures. Let me open it in a new tab and we will see that what Midjourney has provided us. So here is our final result, picture 1, 2, 3, 4 and we will go with picture 1. So come here, we will hit V1, so we will get 4 variations of this picture. So come here, after clicking on V1, Midjourney will give us this result. So we will open it in a new tab. So here is our picture 1, 2, 3, 4 and now what we have to do, we want to make upscale any of these pictures and I will go U4. So I will hit U4 and I will get the final result this. If you want more 4 variations, you have to click make variations. But in this case, it is okay with it. And this is our final result. I hope this video will help you to edit your own pictures in Midjourney. And if you have any type of queries, you can comment.